Dazjachao, Nikolai Stanko from Bulgaria. We are from company Printec. I want to wish to Mingda company a lot of success in the Year of the Dragon. Its staff a lot of health and luck. Sinia and Koala.
Hello everyone!
Hi Mingda team, thank you very much for your support during the last year 2023, and I hope to have the same service and same support during this year, and so thank you very much and Happy New Year! Thank you!
Hi, my name is Femi. I'm a mechanical engineer from National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, Nigeria. I'm wishing Mingda Company Limited, Shenzhen, Happy New Year. This year will be successful for all of you, and to all my friends, Sales Department, Vicky, hi, and Grace, After Sales Department, hi, and all the management staff. You guys have been very wonderful. 2024 shall be a great year for you. Bye.
Happy New Year 2024, Year of the Dragon, from 3D Deal to Mingda. We now own about 30 3D printers. Most of them are Mingda, and with our super reliable Mingda printers, we print a lot of models in very, very good quality. We are very, very grateful for these really outstanding printers. We do wish Mingda and all employees from Mingda all the best for 2024, and we hope to have a good relationship with all of you during the next years. Have a good time and a very, very nice year 2024, Year of the Dragon!
De parte del equipo de Sanesca Exhibidores y Sanesca Design, le deseamos al equipo de Mingda un feliz año nuevo. Happy New Year!
Bonjour, c'est Teknapa. Alors je voulais vous souhaiter mes meilleurs vœux, remercier Mingda de m'avoir fait confiance cette année pour collaborer avec eux. Le grand bonhomme derrière moi là, c'est quelque chose que j'ai fait avec la Mingda Magician Pro 2. Et je vous souhaite le meilleur pour l'année 2024 qui est à venir. Bon print à tous!